Okay, today we are looking at a nice little Zippo. Now this one came in the normal Zippo black box, and the label on it says Republican Elephant, and of course below that is the idiotic P65 California warning. This Zippo is made in Bradford, PA in the USA. So there is the Republican Elephant. It's really just an elephant on a red background with some red, white, and blue. So it's on a red matte finish. And this one is made in K of 18. So that is, let's see, that's probably November. So this has been sitting around for a while. Sounds pretty good. Lights up not bad. This is an excellent conversation starter. Let's do a drop test on this pachyderm. A lit drop test. Okay, so the elephant passes the drop test. Zippo does quite a few designs in their red, but one of my favorite is the highly collectible Red Buffalo. This is a hard one to find. Not really expensive, but still it's a nice one. And this was made in 2005. Of course in Bradford, PA, and definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.